What's up guys, today I will talk about a few different projects. First is Chicken Studios. Now before I start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research. Now this is a Solana project. The mint date, as you can see here, is on May 29 and the mint price is 3 Solana. Here in Twitter they don't have a lot of information. Their Discord is public, so you can join and find more information. Here we can see power by Stroke. I think it is their own token and their Discord is public, so you can join for more information. And I think the whitelist is closed, so you can buy it on the secondary market. Second project of the day is Sneakerheads. Before that, I would like to say this is my first video, so probably you don't know me. My name is Kidvee, and excuse my English because I'm currently studying English, so please excuse. Now this is a ETH project. The release date on June. The amount, as you can see here, it's 10k and they got a huge amount of following. We can see on their website it is still building. We can see the founders here and it is a public founder and have a lot of followers. That's a lot for a founder. Their Discord is public for more information, and as I saw in their Discord that the whitelist is 68% full. That means it still have 32% space. Now we can see the art. The art looks very good. I personally like it so much. The last project is Zest. This is an ETH project. Release date on June. As you can see, the mint price currently is TPA and the roadmap is TPA. This project have a lot of potential. They have collaborated with a few different good projects, such as you can see here, Yacht Island. Now the art is cool. I like it. As you can see, it is a 2D avatar. The Discord is public and they have their own website. And we can see the team on their website and their Twitter account. In the end, guys, please be careful because now we are on a bear market. Do not follow the project and do your own research. Please subscribe and like this video for more. See you soon. Bye.